Now let us try to solve this problem. Given the equation, x equals the square root of 144 plus 2 cubed all over the fourth root of 16. We need to solve for the value of x. Letter A, 10, B, 12, C, 18, D, 20. Now, since we are already given this equation, x equals the square root of 144 plus 2 cubed all over the fourth root of 16. So what we need to do here is to simplify this side of the equation, and since 144 is a perfect square root, so the square root of 144 is 12, and 2 cubed is 8. That means 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Then the fourth root of 16 is 2, because when we multiply 2 4 times, that would give us 16. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 16. So that means the fourth root of 16 is 2. Then we simplify. 12 plus 8 is 20. Then 20 divided by 2 is 10. So therefore, x is equal to 10. So our correct answer is letter A. Now let's proceed to our next example. What is 12% of 1,500? Letter A, 100. Letter B, 120. Letter C, 180. Letter D, 200. So since we are told to find the 12% of 1,500, so what we need to do here is just simply multiply 1,500 times 0.12. 0.12 is 12%. So what we did here is that we changed 12% to decimal. So we just simply move 2 decimal places to the left. So our point is located here. We move 2 decimal places to the left, that is 1, 2. That is 0.12, or we can add 0.12, so it doesn't matter. So 0.12 is just equal to 12%. So again, we just simply change 12% to decimal, and that is 0.12%. So when we multiply 1,500 times 0.12, so we do it one by one. That means 0, or that is 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 here is again 0. Then 2 times 5 is 10. So bring down 0, we carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Then we move to 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is another 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. So that is 1,500. Then we add. That is, bring down 0, bring down 0, bring down 0. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we bring down 1. Then we count the decimal places. So we have 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. So we have here our point. So we can eliminate the 2 zeros here. So what remains is 180. So that means 12% of 1,500 is just equal to 180. So our correct answer is letter C. Next example. Given A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 3, X is equal to 5, and Y is equal to 1. What is the value of 2x minus 3 over 5a plus b? So we are given this rational algebraic expression, and we are given the values of the variable. So what we need to do here is just simply evaluate this rational algebraic expression using the values of the variable. So we are given this original rational algebraic expression. So we are told to find the value of these rational algebraic expressions using the given values of the variable. So we have here 2x minus 3y over 5a plus b. So what we need to do here is just simply substitute the values of the variable to the rational algebraic expression. So we have here 2x, we simply copy 2, and instead of writing x, we change that with the value of x, which is 5. So that's why we have here 2 times 5. Then we copy minus 3. The same thing happens for y. Instead of writing y, we change that with the value of y, which is y equals 1. That's why we have here 3 times 1. Then for the denominator, we have here 5a. So we copy the 5. Instead of writing a, we change that with the value of a, which is 2. So that's why we have here 5 times 2. Then we copy plus, and instead of writing b, we change that with the value of b, which is negative 3. We have here negative 3, and try to enclose the value because we have here double sign, plus and minus, so therefore we enclose this one with a parenthesis to indicate that this is negative 3. Then we simplify. We have 2 times 5 is 10. Then negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Then for the denominator, we have 5 times 2 again is 10. Then we have here the positive times the negative, of course it is negative. So 10 minus 3 of course is 7 over 7. So that's why we have here 1. So the value of the rational algebraic expression given the values of this variable is equal to 1. So our correct answer is letter C. Okay, so watch out for more basic math review. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. So for now, thank you and God bless.